Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to share with you a short video about tips in SolidWorks. So let's get started. So as you can see, there are so many comments on the menu. It's just like a maze here. So don't spend time looking through of this to find the menu you want to use. Just using the command search bar, it could save a lot of your time. They are really helpful in search bar or at the top of your screen. But firstly, you need to make sure your search bar in the command sections. It usually been there already, but if not, we just set it up by clicking on this main arrow, choose the commands, and now we're ready to go. For example, you want to search looking for something like heads up view. Just tap it here and select it, and this will open the command directly. So that's really helpful. So that's all for the first tip. So now let's move on the second tip, which is mouse gestures. With this tool, we just need a wipe of your mouse and you can activate your commands easily. So let's set it up. Clicking on the small arrow, choose Customize to open the Customize box, or even you can use the command server. Just tap Customize and click on this, and the Customize box will be appear. On the Customize box, choose the mouse gestures, and then choose how many gestures you would like in your package. Clicking on this box, I prefer trail gesture, which is give me more options, or you can do less. It may be easy to access your comments in the package because your comments will have a larger space and it's easy to make it. As you can see, there are four buckets of them here. This corresponds to where you are currently working on. For example, when you are working on Sketch, those comments will enroll in your mouse gesture package. You can even customize your package. Just type in what you are looking for here. For example, I want to add the measure to my assembly package, and then drag in from here to the package and click OK. So now like we are in the sketch, I want to make a line. So just pressing on right mouse button and move your mouse close to the command that you want to use. There. So now I want to choose the smart dimension, doing the same thing, pressing on the right mouse and move close to it. That's it for now. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching.